If you are somebody who is thinking or already doing a jewelry business from home, then you must know the importance of a wholesaler from where you purchase your jewelry pieces. The thing is, when you have some unique designs and good quality, your customers tend to like your products more, and you can upscale your business really easily from there. So today I'm here to introduce you to an online store which is a wholesaler. You can also buy jewelries from them like on one piece basis. There is no limit like most of the places from where we buy wholesale jewelries. It's like there is a limit, right, that you have to buy at least 20 pieces or 100 pieces like that. But with the website I'm going to talk to you today, there is no such limits. You can even order one piece item from there. So the website I'm talking to you about is called Nihao Jewelry, and they are not only into jewelry but many other things. But let's today discuss about the jewelry because I have so many pieces from them to show you exactly how the quality you can expect and what are the price points. So in case you want to start a jewelry business, no matter from wherever, like I have ordered it from India, from USA, from Canada, I think they supply all over the world. So no matter from which country or which place you want to order it from and start your jewelry business from home right now, you can do that. So in this video we will talk in details about the website, like how I ordered, how much time did it take for me to get the order in my hand, how they are packed, and many other details that you need to know if you want to start a business with them, right? So I will let you know all these details by the end of this video, but before that I will share with you the pieces that I have got so that you can understand the quality and price point. So the first piece looks something like this. I like these kind of jewelries where they have, this is very minimal, but here the weight is much, you can understand what I want to say, like the beads are all coming here and the quality is really good. I like it, the way it looks. So these are the drop earrings and unbelievable price and unbelievable quality, I must say. Yeah, I will put all the prices on the screen somewhere here or here, you can see that. And I will also put the link of all these products in the description box along with the link of the website. They also have their phone app, so it becomes very easy to browse through the application and also order and keep note of the tracking and everything. So these are the drop earrings which came with it. And also tell me which one do you like the most, and if there is some question, I know there will be many questions if you are someone who is trying to start a business from home, or you are looking for jewelry suppliers. So you can ask me any question regarding this video or regarding this topic in the comments, and I will try to answer most of the questions for you. Okay, so they come packed like this. I will show you one piece. They come packed like this, and you can repack these things at your home. Like if you are bringing it at your home, you can repack these things, and all packaging material from a very simple pouch, plastic pouch, to luxurious boxes and those velvety kind of pouches. Everything is available at their website. If you want to order those also, you can do that. If you want to integrate it with your website, then Shopify is a good option where they also provide drop shipping options. These pearls look really cute but not cheap at all. These pearls look high quality pearls, and the gold toned S, like you can take from any letters. So I chose S because my name is Shiva. So yeah, so these are really nice, like good quality, I must say. I have a lot of them, so sit with some time in hand. You can grab a cup of coffee or tea and then enjoy this with me. Who doesn't like seeing jewelries, and that too so cute ones? Unlike Alibaba and all, the best part is, as I told you, that you don't have to maintain a stock. You can also order one from them. So that's not a problem. You can also order in bulk from them. And if you are from India, there are limitations. You cannot buy things from Alibaba or such places because those doesn't work in India. So Nihao Jewelers is also available in India, and you can pay in Indian currency. You don't need to have any kind of international card or international transaction for buying pieces from here. It's my request that let me know from which country you are watching these videos, like my videos. So this looks so good on my hair, right? Yeah, it looks nice. So yes, definitely let me know from which country you are watching me, because I have seen a lot of you are watching me from United States and then India, Bangladesh, Nepal and many other places. So I just want to know. This is kind of a choker, and the design, look at it. It is beautiful. I remember these kind of neck pieces were so much into trend. Yeah, I really like them, but this is the first time I'm buying this because I was not sure if this will be pokey or not. But let me tell you, the quality of these jewelries are really good. Nihao Jewelers are also very famous for their stainless steel collection. Here is another neck piece which is stainless steel, and I know you must have seen this kind of pendants where there is this 4-leaf heart and it opens like this. It's made of magnet. It opens like this and again it becomes a flower. I know this is called something. I really don't remember the name. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments. You see? And the best part is this is two-toned. If it turns, it's black, and the other part and the other side is red. So this looks really, really gorgeous. So yes, they are promoting their stainless steel collection. So I think that will be really good. Yeah, always go for the things that the company is promoting for. I believe in that because that must be their best product. So you see, it can look like this or it can look like this. Yeah, beautiful, right? It also has another side which is black. Okay, so these were the neck pieces. I have another one which is my favorite and the most expensive of this batch. So I think this one was somewhere around $9, but I liked this one so much so that I could not just throw this out of my cart, and I ordered this one. So this is how it looks like. You can see like the charms and everything it has, like phenomenal. You can see this, right? And the pearls, these are real pearls, I must say. This is not something artificial or something. These are real pearls and I love this. And the gold also looks so nice and natural. It's just too perfect, I must say. So I just wore this, the last neck piece, because I want to keep wearing this for this entire video. So yes, this is the last neck piece and this is the costliest among the lot. So this is $9. I think anybody and everybody will buy this for $25 at least. I will be highly motivated to spend my $25 on this, if not less. Yeah, so I think it's a good deal if you want to buy things and sell it in a little scalable price for your business. These are the pieces you should go for. Okay, so that is my opinion. Of course you can start from the basics, but these are gems on Nihao Jewelers, I must say. So next thing are bracelets. I have got a lot of bangles or bracelets from Nihao Jewelers because I personally love wearing those, and those statement bangles really excite me a lot. I think that makes everything so stylish and different. So I will show you one by one, and all these bangles or bracelets are really worth buying. I need to know like in which phase of your business you are. Are you looking for such kind of information over the internet? Am I able to help you in some way or not? When you tell me all these things, it really motivates me a lot. What do you say about this? Awesome, right? I love this. Yeah, so these are the kind of Pandora charm bracelets, and I am so much impressed with the quality. You see all the charms, these are so unique and they are so well made. Like you will have no complaints about it, I must say. So these are adjustable. If you are selling it to any customer, you don't have to worry about the size of these bracelets because they are adjustable. And so many charms in here. It has a heart, these are like few glass beads kind of thing, then these charms, and this is so pretty. You see this pearl one. Then here we have another charm which is like stone studded, and this one is another very beautiful colorful one, and the design of this bracelet is like a rope design. Okay, so this is another bracelet which I thought will be really unique and different. So if you are somebody who like this kind of, you know, a broad bracelets, then this is something you can go for. So here is a heart shape which is not shiny, like matte kind of a heart, and here are the clips. This goes like this, it has magnet, and it closes like this. So the heart is entangled between here, and this one is also available in different colors. So I like this unique thing, like with some of my outfits I think it will go well. So this has a bit of pink, champagne and gray color. Okay, now this is the next piece, and I was talking about these statement jewelries, like, so I really love these kind of bracelets. Like, I don't know, these are so unique. Even when I go to buy the gold ones, I try to look for these kind of pieces, but rarely do I get these. So I have to, you know, keep on buying these kind of bracelets for my everyday. These are stainless steel, so no compromise on the quality. You can see the Roman numbers from 1 to 12 is written on the whole thing. Like this side also it's 1 to 12, and that side also it's written from 1 to 12. Okay, and I think it opens like this. Yeah, so it opens and closes very easily from here. So you can see how sleek and stylish this one looks. This is classy, like everybody should have a piece like this. My ears are empty. I should in between show you a earring so that I can wear it. So this is the most trendiest earring that I got at Nihao Jewelers. Like, I saw this all over the internet, and this is from their stainless steel collection, so you can understand the quality is really good. These does not feel very heavy though, but these are the big sizes. There are different sizes of this drop earrings. Okay, water drop earring. So I can tell you, these trendy designs will sell in just seconds or minutes. So definitely try and find out. And there is one good feature which I found out in their website, like a few products which really do perform well and the best sellers. So for those products, there is a special remark on the pictures. So you can see that which products are trending, which are selling the most. So you can definitely give them a try. Gorgeous. You know, I have seen them so much over the internet, but I did not purchase one because on Amazon it was $25, and I was not ready to spend $25 in one pair of earring. So yes, I think I got it for $2 or $3. So don't you think, even if I have got it for $3, don't you think that somebody will definitely buy it for $10? Yes, I would. So this is the next bracelet piece I have, and I know all of you will love this. See how beautiful this is. There are two layers. This one is like it's studded with stones, and the other layer again Roman numbers are written on this. This is such a superb piece. Here are 3 toe rings that I have got, but I'm not sure if these will fit as toe rings, but these will really look nice, like very awesome as rings, you know, because these are adjustable. You can wear this in your fingers, and you can also stack them. They look so pretty. See, so this one, it has a white daisy flower with a stone over here, and this looks brilliant. This one has a spiral design on it, is complete gold, and this one has a little ball design on this, and this is also gold. So there are options of silver jewelries as well, but because personally I don't prefer silver, so I did not order them. So this is how these 3 looks like when stacked. And trendiest earring, you see these, I think you can recall at least one video that you have seen on the internet where this kind of cherry earrings you have spotted, right? So these are the most trendiest cherry earrings, and I ordered this one which has little something inside these cherries as well, and I really love them. See how cute it looks, and it also matches my outfit really well. And now this is my daughter's favorite. I got it for her. This is kind of two bracelets in one, and this is called back to school because in USA all the kids are going back to school after 2 months of vacation. So this is from their back to school collection, and you can actually use this for gifts. Like I see many people over the internet on Facebook, they ask for gifting options, return gift options for their kids' birthday. I think these kind of bracelets and these kind of accessories will sell like hotcake because they are so cute and good quality. Look at the charm in between, and it comes in two colors, one with this butterfly, and here is a cactus option. See how pretty it looks? And at the back the design is like this, so the kids need not tie it. It's properly made for them. And the last thing and the only thing that I got in silver is this beautiful belt. This is a belt. This belt looks so unique. I really like this, and this is in silver tone. So you can order with them, you can do bank transfer to their account. There are other payment options as well, which is really friendly because while we are starting a business, most of the time we don't have those facility of international transactions, and also it's really useful the way they have kept their payment methods. Another thing, you can also integrate with your Shopify website and do the drop shipping with them. That is also very easy. And lastly, if you are just running a simple brick to mortar business from your home, a jewelry business from your home, where you buy and stock by yourself and then you show it to your customers and sell it, you can be a Facebook seller, you can sell it through Instagram, through your other social media profiles and all. You can do that with these kind of jewelries. Okay, so in that way I think that is a good way to start the business. In that way you get to see, touch and feel and see how these jewelries work, and then you can commit to your customers, because that is also an important part. So this is all about Nihao Jewelers, and they have so many facilities when it comes to browsing their website. So I will put the link of their website and their app in the description box in case you want to give them a try. You can check that out.